Good morning, student. Welcome to our English conversation class. Today, we are going to do English conversation practice. Please get your student book and open on page 91. So here we are, student. We are going to know the singular and plural in a sentence. Okay. So when we are going to talk about singular, it means to say it's only one. And if it's plural, it's mean to say it is many. Okay, many. So now we are going to know the does and doesn't, and also the has and have. So usually singular, only one, we use the word has. Okay, and for plural, we usually use the word have. Have, or let us say the cat has. So we have only one cat, and then in here we can say the cats have. So it's because we have s, letter s. So s means, this one means to say many. Okay, that's the meaning of many. So we also have what we call the do or the does. For example, this one, singular, use do, or this one, this one, the singular use does, sorry for that, and then the plural use do. Okay, so we can say the cat does. So what we are going to do, or we can say here the cats do. Okay, so we have here, for example, we have the same object as do the mew sound, the mew sounds. Okay, the mew sounds. So we can say the cat does the mew sounds, or the cat do the mew sound, or the cats do the mew sound, sorry, because we need to look at our subject. So this is our subject when we are talking. Okay, so now let us see on how we are going to do the conversation. How does it apply in a conversation? Okay, example here. Okay, for example, when you are going to ask question, okay, when you are going to ask question, do you have a pet? Okay, do you have a pet? So if the question is like that, then the answer will be yes, I do, or yes, I have a. Okay, so we have two answers. You can say yes, I do, or that's our number one answer, or you can say answer number two. You can say I have a dog. So in a conversation, that's usually happen. So you can ask question, do you have a pet? Or you can say, do you have any pet? Or Any pet, it means to say you can say, I have a dog, I have a snake, I have a chicken, I have a turtle, I have a goat. So it matters about how the way you answer, but this one usually is the common answer. If somebody will ask you, do you have any pet, or do you have a pet, you can just answer, yes, I do. Or you can do the answer number 2, I have a dog. So for example, that is our first question, right? That's our first question. So what if we have a different kind of question in a conversation? So for example, this. Okay. So for example, you said, yes, I have a dog. So somebody would ask you, what does it, because we have it, look like? So what does it look like? So you can, this one, if this question, it varies about your answer. How are you going to describe your pet? So how are you going to describe your pet? What does it look like? So you can say it has brown color. For example, you are talking about your dog. It has brown color. And then you can say it is big and energetic. You can also say it is very sweet. So you have a lot of answer that you can apply. For example, what does it look like? It has brown color, or you can also say it has 4 legs. It has black color in its eyes. So you are going to see how are you going to describe your pet. So that's how you are going to answer in a normal conversation. So the next that we have is this one. Okay, so we have this, right? So in here we have like this, the doesn't have or has and have. So we have doesn't have because we use have for using the doesn't. Do not have. We don't say when the word is negative, this one. When your verb, this one is verb. When your verb is negative, your next helping verb is have. Not, you cannot use has if it has not. Every time we have not not, you cannot use the has, only have. Doesn't have and don't have. So that's the rule. So has only applicable if it's a positive sentence. For example, here, the turtle has 4 legs. But if you're going to say the turtle, so it's only one, right? It's only one turtle. Doesn't have, we use have, not has, because of the word doesn't have ears. Okay, for example, many turtles. So the turtles have 4 legs because this one we have many, right? This one it's only one. It's only one turtle. This one many, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. And then we have here the turtles don't have ears. So even though we use the word don't, we still apply the word have. Just the same as this one. Even though we only have one, we're still going to apply the have if we use doesn't. So that's how we apply. For example, does not means doesn't, or do not for don't. Okay, for don't, it is do and then not. Do not for don't, and does not for doesn't. Okay, here we are going to circle the correct word. So the cat, we only have one cat. So what are we going to do? Has or have 4 legs. So it is has. Okay, number 2, birds. So many, right? It is many. Has, have 2 legs. So in here, because we have many birds, so we are going to circle have. And then number 3, we have snakes does not have ears. So we have this one, snakes. So do or does. Okay, here, so that it's very easy. For one, one use does. And for many, use do. Okay, just like the example earlier in the whiteboard. So we have here snakes. Of course, there are many, right? Many. So we have do. Snakes do not have ears or don't have ears. So we have here 4. Rabbits has or have long ears. So we have many. So we have the word have for many. So number 5. The fish doesn't has or have feet. So in here we have the word doesn't, because fish doesn't, there's no word as fishes. No, fish is only one, but then now it provides the word doesn't. So if it's doesn't, we are going to use have. Okay, the fish doesn't have feet. Okay, so here 6, the mouse have black eyes. So we mouse. So it's only one, because if it's many, then it's not mouse anymore, it is mice if it's many. So the mouse has black eyes. So here number 7, turtles. But here they provide have a head. So it is many, have. So we are going to circle turtles. And here, number 8, the dog or dogs has a long tail. So here we have the word has. So we have the dog. So in here, we have choose an animal, write about it. Your partner will guess it. So this one, actually, you are going to work by pair. But right now, because you are alone inside the house, you are going to write down the sentence on your own. For example, this one, it is a guinea pig. It is a parrot, a bird. And this one is a turtle. So you are going to select any of this. Would you like to have this? If no, would you like to have this? If no, you would like to have turtle. And then you are going to translate. You are going to translate. For example, the bird. It has 2 legs. And then the bird has a yellow and orange colors. So that's how you are going to describe. You need to talk something about the bird. For example, if you choose the bird, then talk something about the bird. Okay? Or talk something about the turtle. So it's up to you what animal you would like to do in here. So this one, you will do it by yourself. Okay? So we have here. So we have a question. Do you like cats? No, I don't like cats. I like guinea pigs. So it's about the like and what you don't like. So you can say, I don't like snakes. I like cats. I don't like crocodiles. I like lions. Okay? So you are going to say something about what you like and what you don't like. So for example here. So you have do you have do, dogs, and then we have this end mark, the question mark, and then the like. So you can say do, so it's a big letter, so you need to write down in here, do you like dogs, and then question mark. So that's how you are going to answer this one. Okay, so for example in here, write a like sentence. I like sentence. Write sentence about each pet. So it means to say you're just going to select what pets do you like in here. Rabbit, dog, guinea pig, cat, or fish. And then I like, you can crush out this one and then make your own. For example, you would like the cat. So I like cats because the cat is, so you're going to make a sentence 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you are going, I like rabbits because it is cute. And then 2, I like dogs because dog is wonderful. This one, I like cats because cat is like this. So you have, this one is number 1. And in this one you have number 2. This one number 3. This one number 4. So what do you like? It's just the same as this one. I like, I like, I like, I like, I don't like, I don't like. So you need to write down here. Here, I like rabbits. Here, I like cats because they are cute. So in here, I like dog because they are wonderful. I like fish because they are colorful. I like rabbits because they are hopping. So here. So we have that one in here. So we end up in here, okay students? So this one, I would like to give this to you. You need to work to do this one, number 3 and number 2 on page 92. And then here you also need to make your own sentence, and it is on page 91. Okay, that's for today, students. Thank you. Goodbye. Thanks for listening. For your work to do, answer student book pages 91 and 92. Thank you, student. Goodbye.